Hello everyone. Online study has become more important in our daily life for last few years, and now it came as a panacea for the crisis, which is increasingly seen as a new paradigm of education. In this pandemic, education has changed dramatically with a considerable rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is executed remotely and on digital platforms. But apart from virtual lectures and tutorials, assessment is similarly important to judge the development of any student, or they can self-analyze by giving online exam. Today, in this video, we are going to learn how to give online exam so easily. Online assessment allows a student to attain and enhance transferable skills and competencies. It also helps to improve attentiveness among students, engagement to the matter, and reduce the distractions. There are so many platforms and websites through which anyone can give online exam by registering themselves on that site. But today we will discuss about most common and easiest platform, that is Google Form. Google is the largest online platform in India. Almost more than 90% internet users have Google account, so they can give online test using this platform by logging into their account. Watch till the end carefully to follow the steps properly. Let's begin. A link may be shared to you by your teacher or mentor in different social media platform, or you can get it by email also. You need to click on the link and such type of interface will come where you need to log in by your Gmail ID, and then the first part or section of the exam will appear where the name of exam and full marks will be mentioned, and you need to fill up the mandatory fields like name, class or standard, section, batch, roll number, etc. Sometimes you may be asked to give email ID also. After filling up the details and clicking on the next button, you will be redirected to the next section of the exam where the questions will appear. These questions are objective type like MCQ, true and false, checkbox or drop down, fill in the blanks, and short answers type. You have to answer all questions of the section if all fields are mandatory, or else you can skip some of them. After clicking on the next button, you may be further redirected to some other sections or parts, and then after giving all the answers, finally click on the submit button to complete the exam. You may need to submit the paper within a specific time as per instructions given by your teacher. The scores may be reflected just after submission of the paper, or that can be informed by your teacher after manual evaluation. So this is the way you can do your self-assessment test easily by consulting with your teacher. Hope this video will help you in your study. Thanks for watching.